Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to quote on Reddit. So first select a post that you want to quote and simply select the text that you want to quote. Once you selected the text, right-click it and press on copy. Now you have successfully copied this text. Then go to create a new post, and in order to copy as a quote, just simply paste your text, right-click and paste. And now once you have your text here, select it again and then simply click on quote right here. As you can see, once you click this button, quote block, it will push it like this and you have your quote. It is really simple. Now you will add a title and choose a community where you want to add this. So simply do this and post your post and it will be quoted. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.